This is my nonprofit website called Operation Relocate Zebras. This is not a real website. I just made this up because I like zebras and I thought it'd be kind of fun to create this. So, Operation Relocate Zebras um, is a nonprofit organization that we want to use to take all the zebras to go back home. Operation Relocate Zebras has a sanctuary in Africa that we're going to send these animals to. And with our volunteers, that's how we're going to make this happen. So, this is my website. It has this heading and it has the different things that you can click through to see the different tabs. So, there's a section about why you should donate, and this is a slider that I created and it has the three main points. And then there's a what are we section. It kind of explains what the Operation Relocate Zebras is. And then this touches on the three sections of how the program works. So there's the Locate Zebra section, the temporary habitat, and the fly them home to get them back to Africa. And then, of course, since it's a nonprofit, we have the Donate Now section. So there is this Donate Now button that we can accept donations to make it possible for this all to happen. So, one of the most challenging things that I was doing when I was creating this website was simply just trying to take everything that I learned and put it into something that I was doing. So, one of the hardest things was probably trying to get the colors to match everywhere because you change one and then something else doesn't match. And I did a lot of classes and class IDs. That's how I kind of made this all happen because I was really struggling with that at first. Um, and then some of the easiest things I did was to just simply put in the pictures and put them in Photoshop and kind of get them to the right quality that we needed for this project. So some of my main decisions that I made was if I wanted to have this slider or not, but I think it just adds a perfect touch on just kind of explaining how it's all going. And I really enjoyed making this Operation Relocate Zebras title page because I really liked the way that it flowed.